Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my economics class. Today you will learn lesson 6, that is structure and function of the local government. Now, what is local government? Local government is a system of government which is elected by the people to run the local administration and maintain developmental works. It is formed locally to solve local problems. Importance of local government. Number 1, to solve local problems. Number 2, to reduce the extra pressure of the central government. Now, structure of local government. Basically, there are two types of local government. One is village based, another is urban based. So, in the village based, there are three layers: Union Parishad, Upazila Parishad, District Council. In the urban area, Purusabha and City Corporation. And in the village based area, Union Parishad is the lowest level of the local government. Now, I will discuss the formation and function of the local government. Now, formation. First, Union Parishad. There are 4,554 unions in the country, and formation is 1 chairman plus 9 general members plus 3 female members from reserved seats, and they all have elected for 5 years by direct force of the citizen of the local area. Now, Upazila Parishad. There are 492 Upazilas in the country. Formation 1 chairman, 2 vice chairman, 1 female plus 1 male. They all have elected for 5 years by direct votes of the citizen. Like in Pabna, there are 10 Upazila. In Pabna district, there are 10 Upazila. Like Pabna Sodor, Atai Atghoria Upazila, Bera Upazila, Bhangur Upazila, Chatmohor Upazila, Faridpur Upazila, Ishwadi Upazila, Pabna Sodor Upazila, and Shatia Upazila. Okay. This is the picture of the Pabna Purusabha. Have you seen this? Now, Purusabha. So, Purusabha, it is an urban-based local government. There are 327 Purusabhas in the country. Formation 1 mayor plus some councillors plus some reserved seat for female councillors. And all they have elected directly by the vote of the local people. Now, Jila Parishad. This is an indirect election, or all the representatives are elected by indirect vote. And formation 1 chairman, 15 general members plus 5 female members from reserved seat. And there are 64 districts in our country, and out of 61 districts, there is Jila Parishad, except 3 hilly districts like Rangamati, Khagrasuri, Bandhaban. There will be the hill tract district Parishad. Okay. And 1 chairman, 15 general members and 5 female members, they are elected indirectly. That means those who are elected already. That means the member of the Union Parishad, the member of the Upazila Parishad, all the mayor and councillors in the Purusabha who are elected already, they will cast their vote and they will choose this 21 member for Jila Parishad. Now, Jila Parishad of hilly district. There are 3 hill districts in Bangladesh. That is Rangamati, Khagrasuri, Bandarbon. Okay. And formation will be 1 chairman plus a definite number of members That means there will be ethnic plus Bengali people will be representative in this Jila Parishad of Hill district. Now city corporation. There are 12 metropolitan cities in the country and formation of one mayor plus several ward councillors here. That is, the numbers of councillor will depends on the number of wards here. And city corporation, there are 12 city corporation in Bangladesh. They are Dhaka North, Dhaka South, Chittagong, Rajshahi, Khulna, Sylhet, Borishal, Naranganj, Rangpur, Kumilla, Gazipur and Mymensingh. The chief of the city corporation is called mayor. There are councillors as a helping hand of the mayor. The numbers of the councillors can be more or less on the basis of the territory. This is the picture of city corporation of South and this is the picture of city corporation of Dhaka North. Now function of Union Parishad. To make and implement plans of total development of UP, that means Union Parishad, to make arrangement for pure drinking water, helping the affected people and managing their rehabilitation, to keep environment clean and tidy in the UP Union Parishad, to make arrangement for first aid, maintain law and order, collecting land tax, to settle local dispute, etc. Besides these activities, there are more other activities in your book, that is making arrangement for awarding stipend to poor and meritorious student and arranging adult education for removing illiteracy. Then creating mass awareness against the offense and informing the policy if any offense or bad incident happens in the area, and working to raise consciousness against different social problems like women harassment, dowry system, etc. Now function of city corporation. So function of city corporation and function of Poroshobha is same. So if you read any one, you can write the answer of both of Poroshobha and city corporation. Now function of Upajala Parishad. Number 1, takes necessary long and short term development projects including 5 years plan. It implements and supervises and coordinates various projects of government. It constructs and maintains the link road among different union parishad. Now function of district council. It builds roads, bridges, culverts, construct educational institution, residential hostels, training centers, orphanages, libraries and night schools. It establishes agri farms, flood control embankments, etc. Now function of Poroshobha. Making arrangement for pure drinking water, removing the blocked water, 2. Controlling the sale of unhygienic and adulterated food. 3. Adopting plans and implementing. Arranging the proper construction of the houses and homes. Constructing the roads and controlling vehicle movement. Planting trees on both sides of roads. Establishing park and garden. Controlling of begging. And lastly, maintaining of birth and death registration, etc. Now lesson 7, good governance. What is good governance? Good government means a type of government which is formed according to the constitution. It works under jurisdiction with honesty and sincerity. Other words, we can tell that it is a type of government system where different organizations are responsible for their jobs. Here, institutional interest is greater than individual interest. Now, importance of good governance. To ensure responsibilities and accountability in administration to run the government. Next, proper establishment of rule of law and democracy. To reduce corruption, nepotism and individual interest. Establishment of human rights. To eliminate poverty, to attain self-reliance. To establish justice and ensure development. So, up to this, your chapter has been finished. Okay. So, you must read the chapter properly. Next, there is one creative question in your book. That is, Mr. Ghulam Quddus is an inhabitant of Rohimpur village under the Hathazari Upazila. He was elected chairman in the local government election of 2015. He installed 5 tubes to solve the problems of pure water of the inhabitants. He repairs the constant roads of the union. He also provides scholarship to the meritorious student. Meanwhile, he has become familiar as a popular person in his locality. A number, how many district council are there in Bangladesh? You can. And people are the root of all powers. You also can. This is the from first lesson. C number, in which local government Mr. Ghulam Quddus is elected chairman. So, though he is an inhabitant of Rohimpur village, so village, though here is village, and under the this Hathazari Upazila, so actually he is a citizen of Rohimpur village. Okay, so obviously he the local government over here, that is Union Porishad. Okay, so you will write that is Ghulam Quddus is an elected chairman from Union Porishad, and you will write the formation of the Union Porishad here. Number D, Mr. Quddus has to perform many more duties than he does as a chairman mentioned above. Yes. So over here you must write yes. Mr. Quddus has to perform many more duties than he does as a chairman mentioned above, because besides these activities he has to perform many more duties. And like in your book you will get that is here is only mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, and in your book there are more than 7 function over there. Okay, so you will find out the other function and write over here in D number. You must complete your SW and you must send in my inbox. So up to this, next day I will start a new chapter. So thank you very much everyone. Stay at your home safely.